children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Children, as you know that your PT1 course is over, and now I will start your half yearly syllabus. In class 5, in your half yearly syllabus, there is again 2 chapter of computer, and today I am going to start your first chapter of your half yearly course. The name of the chapter is Tables and Tools in Word 2013. Okay, so let's start our today's chapter.
Dear student, today I am going to start your first chapter of your syllabus, half yearly syllabus. The name of the chapter is Tables and Tools in Word 2013. In this chapter, there are some topics. Let's see what is the topics of this chapter. So, the topics are creating a table, modifying a table, formatting a table, tools in Word. These are the basic topics of tables and tools in Word 2013. Children, here I am going to discuss about creating a table, okay, and the modifying a table, formatting a table, tools in Word. These 3 topics I will discuss you in our next video. Okay, so creating a table, this is what is table here, what is table, how we can create a table, we will learn. Children, I would like to tell you that before you watch the video, you do one thing. You will read out the chapter. Okay, if you read the chapter, then you know the basic terms of the chapter, and after watching the videos, then it will easy for you to understand the terms and concept of each and every topic. So I hope from the next day, from the next time, you will read the chapter first and then you will watch the video. Okay, so let's start our first topic, that is creating a table. What is table? A table is defined as a set of data which are arranged in rows and columns. The formation of boxes from the intersections of rows and columns are known as cells. Table means that it is a set of data which are arranged in rows and columns, and the formation of boxes from the intersection of rows and columns are known as cells. A table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. That means in a table there are some rows and some columns is there, and the rows and columns are intersect with each other. By the intersections of each rows and columns, it forms one box, and this formation of boxes after the intersections of rows and columns, these boxes are called cells. So a column can be identified as the vertical series of cells, and the rows can be identified as the horizontal series of cells. See, in this figure we have seen that there are some rows and some columns in a table. Okay, you notice one thing, that the rows and the columns are intersect with each other. These intersections of rows and columns make a form of box, and these appearing boxes are called cells in Microsoft Word. Tables is used to organize data that is too detailed or complicated to be described adequately in the text, allowing the reader to quickly see the results. Okay. So, we have found here that a table is a set of data which are arranged in rows and columns. That means in a table we can set our data, and the data can be arranged in rows and columns, and the rows and columns are intersect with each other and form a box, form a box, and this formation of boxes is called cells in Microsoft Word. Okay, so now we will see what is our next topic. Creating a table. This is our first topic, creating a table. So here, how can create a table? So in this video we will see how to work on the tables. We can create table, delete table, insert, we can cut, copy, paste, and we can do many things with this table itself. Okay, so first of all is creating a table. We can create a table with the help of the following methods. First one is by using grid. That means by using a grid we can insert a table in our document. Okay, by using the insert table option, this is second way or method to insert a table in our document. Third one is using the quick tables options. By using the quick tables options we can create our table. That means we can insert our table in our document. And fourth one is drawing a custom table. We also learn what is a drawing custom table and how we can create this table. Okay, so first we will see by using a grid how we can insert a table in our document. Using a grid. Steps to insert a table in the document using a grid. Okay, step 1 is click the point or positions where you want the table to be inserted. Step 2 is click the insert tab options. Step 3 is click the table options in the tables group. The insert table grid will appear. Here there are some steps. We can follow the steps to insert a table in the document using a grid. The steps are: step 1, click the point or positions where you want the table to be inserted. Children, first of all you have to decide that where you insert your table. Okay, so you have to decide the point or the positions, and after that you go to that point or the positions and click on it. Click there. Okay, this is the first step. Second one is step 2. In step 2, click the insert tab option. You go to the insert tab and click on it. Step 3 is click the table options in the tables group. The insert table grid will appear. And step 3 is that go to the in the tables group there is one option is there, that option is table options. Okay, so in the tables group table option is there, you go to the table options and click on the table options. Okay, the insert table grid will appear, and after clicking on the table options then you will see that the insert table grid will appear. And in this way we can insert a table in the document by using a grid. Okay, so there are 3 steps. First you can select the positions and click on it. Second, you go to the insert tab and click on it. Third, in the tables group you go to the tables group, table option is there, go and click on the table options, and then you will see that the insert table grid will appear. Okay, this is the procedure. By using a grid we can insert a table in our document. Now we see what is our second method to insert the table in our document. using the insert table options. First, second one is using the insert table options. Steps to insert a table in the document using the insert table options. Step 1. Click the point or positions where you want the table to be inserted. Step 2 is click the insert tab options. Step 3 is click the table options in the tables group. Step 4 is click the insert table. The insert tables dialog box will appear. Step 5 is click OK only after specifying the number of rows and columns. Here step 1 is click the point or positions where you want the table to be inserted. It is very important that first you will choose the locations where you insert your table. That means in your document where you want to insert your table. It may be top, bottom or middle. So according to your choice or according you can select the locations, and after that you will click that positions. Click on that positions. Okay, step 2 is click the insert tab options. Second is you go to the insert tab and click on it. Step 3 is click the tables option in the tables group. Same, you go to the tables group, and in the tables group table option is there. You go and click on the table options. Step 4 is click the insert table. The insert tables dialog box will appear. Here that insert table, step 4 is you go to the insert table. In the insert table you go and click on it, and after clicking on the insert table you see the insert table dialog box will appear. Okay, and step 5 is click OK only after specifying the number of rows and columns. And step 5 is you go to the insert table, and table size. In the table size the number of rows and number of columns is there. You can specifying the how number of rows and columns. That means what number you want for rows and columns. So you can specify the size of the columns and rows, and after specifying the number of rows and columns, lastly you click on the OK button. Okay, so these are the 5 steps to insert a table in the document by using the insert table options. It is the second method to create a table. Using the quick tables option. This is the third procedure to insert the table in the document. And here by using the quick tables options we can insert a table in our document. So first of all we discuss about what is quick table. Quick tables are the tables that are stored in galleries or building blocks. You can access and resize quick tables at any time. Quick tables are the pre-formatted tables, okay, and which is used in Microsoft Word. Quick tables are the tables that are always stored in the albums or galleries as building blocks. Quick tables provide various templates of tables, and the templates can be defined as examples of layouts or designs provided in Word 2017. So there are various templates in the quick tables. What is template? Templates is the layout or the design which we use in Microsoft Word. Okay, and know that there are various templates in quick tables. You can select any design or layout in the template. After the selections of the layout, data can be inserted in the table. Now we will learn the steps by using the quick tables, how we insert a table in the document. There are 4 steps. Okay, step 1 is click the point or positions where you want the table to be inserted. Step 2 is click the insert tab option. Step 3 is click the tables option in the tables group. Step 4 is select the quick table and click the type of template you want. Step 1 is first you will select the positions, means place, okay, where you want to insert the table. So after selecting the positions, you go to that place and click on it. Second one is step 2 is click the insert tab options. Secondly, you go to the insert tab and click on it. Step 3 is click the tables option in the tables group. Third, you go to the tables group and there is one table option is there. You go and click on the tables option. Step 4 is select the quick table and click the type of template you want. And it is very important that here step 4 select the quick table and click the type of template you want. Here you go to the quick table options is there. Okay, that means in quick table there is you can select the templates and click the type of templates you want. There is various types of template or design. You can go and select any one template according to your choice, and after that you can click on that template. Drawing a custom table. It is our last topic of today's video. The steps to draw a custom table are as follows. Step 1 is click the pointer positions where you want the table to be inserted. Step 2 is click the insert tab options. Step 3 is click the table options in the tables group. And step 4 is select the draw table options and click the type of template you want. Here first you will select the positions, means place where you want to insert your table. First you will select the place. You want to top of the document or middle of the document or bottom of the document where you insert your table. First of all you will select the place, and after that, after selection the place, you will go to that particular place and click on it. Okay, step 2 is click the insert tab options. Secondly, you go to the insert tab and click on it. Step 3 is click the table options in the tables group. Thirdly, in the tables group is there, means table option. Where table options? In the tables group. So in the tables group, table option is there. You go to the table options and click on it. Step 4 is select the draw table options and click the type of template you want. And step 4 you go to the draw table options. In the draw table options you select and click the type of template you want. There are various types of template. So you can select any one template and click on it. Okay, so this is the procedure to draw a custom table, okay, in our document. So these are the procedure to create a table in our document. In the next video we will discuss the rest of the topics in our chapter. I hope this video will benefit you. Thank you.